Student, now I'm going to show you some implementations of the list with a number series. So number series means, suppose I'm writing here list 1 equals to, okay, then I'm giving the value 10 comma 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, 60, then 70, then 80, then 90, then suppose 100. Okay, list is created. Now this is a list, which list is created. I want to print the value of a particular section or the particular area. Suppose list, okay, list, what list, what value I need to print. Suppose list, in this particular list I need to print the value of 0th position. Let's see what it do. Okay, okay, so what it is showing, it is showing you that there is a type mismatch. Okay, there is a type mismatch. Since it has a type mismatch, therefore since the particular thing has a type mismatch, it cannot take out the value. So you have to do the particular work. You have to load the particular list of what, list 1. Suppose list 1, okay, then if you give this, that means what, let's see. Okay, so list 1, now here I have called it list. List means which list, it cannot identify, type cannot be defined. So when I say list 1 zeroth place, zeroth place is what, 10 is there. Okay, so suppose list 1, now suppose fifth place. Okay, so in the fifth place what it is, 60 is there. Okay, suppose now I want to print the list 1, then suppose -1. -1 means 100. That means what it is doing, when it is you are giving a positive number, it is taking a number from the front. Okay, it is taking a number from the front and it is printing those number. But when you are giving a negative number, when you are emphasizing on the negative number part, what it is doing, it is taking the number from the back. Clear? So this is the thing what you see, this is the implementation what you see, that the particular implementation it can do based on the instruction that you are giving, based on the instruction that you want to give. Suppose list 7th number position, what is, oh, it will give you the wrong, because list, what list, list 1, list 1 7th number position. So list 1 7 number position is 8. Okay, now list 1, now suppose -3 position, third position 80. That means 7th position from here, 7th position is 80, and third position from here is also 80. That means -1, -2, -3. So this is how your this is the values, that means address of the thing that I am mentioning. Okay, I am giving the address, and based on this particular address, what happened, it is giving you the output. Okay, as you are calling the address position, based on that particular address position of a list item, it is giving you the output. Clear? So this is how you can create the list. You can work with a list in a various way. This is a one first working out that I have shown you, where you are calling the address position. Those the different numbers are stored here. Originally number are stored in a certain address. As you are calling them in the address position, what happened, based on this address position, the value of the number will be shown to you. So as I am called the 0, it shows the what is the value in the 0th position. As I called 5, what is the value in the 5th position. As I call -1, what is the value in -1, that means 100, so it calls 100. So if I call list 1 7, so what is the value in the 7th position, 7th position value is your 80, so it prints here 80. Okay, as I call -3, -3 means from the back side. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3.